In a recent video, I explained the concept of crossing midline, so today let's talk about what that means for hand dominance. But first, a quick recap. My name is Reagan, I'm a pediatric occupational therapist. Essentially, the concept of crossing midline is that the left side of your brain controls the right side of your body, and the right side of your brain controls the left side of your body. When you are using part of your body in the other side space, example, reaching across your body I'm left-handed, so I'll use my left hand to go grab something that's on my right side. By reaching across my midline to grab that item, I'm allowing the two hemispheres of my brain to communicate, calibrate, and work together. This is called bilateral coordination. Bi meaning both, and lateral meaning side. So bilateral movements. And bilateral coordination is allowing us to do bilateral movements, such as opening a jar smoothly and efficiently. Kids who struggle to cross midline might frequently alternate hands when they are coloring, drawing, writing, cutting, because the two sides of their brain are not yet communicating and working together efficiently. And since neither hand is coordinated in the opposite side space, I'm not very coordinated with my left hand and my right side, not very coordinated with my right hand and my left side, neither one really becomes dominant. And this is not the same as being ambidextrous. Hand dominance develops gradually and requires a child to comfortably reach across their body to do, XYZ task with their dominant hand. Activities that encourage crossing midline help your brain figure out which hand is more dominant, which hand is better at completing these tasks. Activities that encourage crossing midline help your brain to figure out which hand is more efficient for fine motor tasks. Once hand dominance is well established, then kids can cut, write, and manipulate small objects more smoothly and with less fatigue. So if your child switches hands a lot, that might totally be a normal phase of development. But if a child does not have a pretty clear hand dominance by age 5, and this does not mean like they never ever switch hands. Switching hands here and there, that's fine, that's normal. But if they are switching hands a lot still by age 5, I would seek out OT services. But if they're younger than that, typically with time and practice and lots of crossing midline activities, their brain and their body, they will naturally figure out which hand works best for them. And that is why crossing midline activities are so important for developing hand dominance. If this was helpful, interesting, or you learned something, let me know in the comments. And if you're not yet, follow for more from a pediatric OT.